Do you remember this morning I said I went outside last night because of a noise I heard? And I really didn't think it was strange then. Looking back at it, he was holding something in his hand. What? A screwdriver. I can always trust my gut, and it's telling me that there's something fishy going on with the captain.
This is the man who saved my life.
Rock, paper, scissors. -1.
Disqualified.
Son of a bitch. Captain Pop works for those bastards! Wait, what?
He's one of those masked bandits!
Get out of there! He knows I know!
Oh, we got this. Want some noodles? Some too. Grab another.
Where's Detective Ball?
Turn around.